We came to Guatemala to work with the Center for Human Rights, and they work with women's organizations, prison organizations, children's education projects, and human rights violations in Guatemala. We went to school to speak to children about what they believe their human rights are, and to teach 12 to 14-year-olds to think about those issues a bit more. We asked more questions and they were very enlightening answers. A couple of them discussing abortion rights and how they affect women's issues. It was amazing to hear them sound so mature at such a young age. The kids are exactly the same as in the U.S. in terms of horsing around, especially the little boys. The little girls are very modest but extremely intelligent, way too shy for their intelligence. The next day we went to the women's prison and we conducted a yoga session for them and a bit of meditation practice. The prison there was shoddy. It was a little scary to see the conditions that they had to live in. The inmates were surprisingly welcoming. They laughed with us. They enjoyed the yoga session. But we could tell that they were pretty hardened and have had a hard life. The next day we went to the courthouse to see a live trial. After we saw the trial, we got to meet with the secretary, and he spoke to us for a long time regarding Guatemala's state system, how overburdened they are, how many cases they have to hear a year, and the limited resources they have to work with. Overall, everything was really intense. Guatemala is a very interesting place. They're in an interesting time right now where it seems as if things can either become really great or just turn around and go back to where it was 15, 20 years ago.